Friends for life. We are friends, I got you back. You got mine, I'll help you out anytime. To see you hurt, to see you cry, makes me weep and wanna die. And if you agree to never fight, it wouldn't matter who's wrong or right. If a broken heart needs a mend, I'll be right there till the end. If your cheeks are wet from drops of tears, don't worry, let go of your fears. Hand in hand, love is sent, we'll be friends till the end.
The climb. I have this fear, it causes my legs to shake. I break out in a cold sweat. I start jabbering to anyone who is nearby. A thought of certain death through my mind. The world appears a precious, treasured place. I imagine my own funeral, then shrink back at the implications of where my thoughts are taking me. My stomach feels strange. My palms are clammy. I am terrified of heights. Of course, it is not really a fear of being in a high place. Rather, it is the view of a long way to fall, of rocks far below me and no firm wall between me and the edge. My sense of security is screamingly absent. There are no guardrails, flimsy thoughts I pictured them, or other safety devices. I can realize only my own sure-footedness or back thereof.
My friend is storm. Too many times I lay the night waiting for the storm, but only hearing the gentle wind and the light in the morning. 1,000 words enter my head. You said you always be there.
A real friend that can love and care, his name is Storm, and he loves me, just as I love him, 'cause we are the greatest friends, never on a whim.